You mentioned few different, I suppose, specialization within game testing. Could you bring that a bit closer?
Yes, like the main one is a functional game tester. It's actually the role I had. It's about testing the functionality of the game, the main features, looking for bugs, exploratory testing, and other stuff. It's about making things break in the game, as would say, like just normally, so everyone understands. Because your mindset should be not about how I will play the game as a regular player will play the game, but actually you would need to think a little bit wider and out of the box many times. So that's most about the functional tester. You're just trying to really test every aspect of the game, like every aspect, every minimal like thing, and determining, of course, the prioritization of your task based on how the feature may be impactful for the players, or how many players will actually use this feature in the game. The second one is localization game tester. It's not about testing the gameplay itself, it's about testing the localization. It's about testing how the different languages behave on a different UI layouts and so on. So this one I have not experience with that, but in this role I have experience with testing localization, but not especially in this role. But yeah, it may be also very interesting for some type of people who, for example, like to read a lot. You know, so.